Have you heard the news? Half of America's AI data centers just got canceled, and honestly, I'm here for it. Just bear with me, I'll explain. So for the last few days, you guys have been getting to know me as the guy who wants to show you how to build with AI, use his tools, and all that other cool stuff. And I stand by all of it. But today, I'm not here to hype anything. I want to talk about some news that dropped this week. Because I really want all of you to understand where I actually stand. Because the truth is, I have had some real problems with how this industry has been handling its own expansion. The way these companies have been racing to build data centers as fast as they possibly can, making deals that are jacking up everyone's electric bills, draining the local water supplies, steamrolling communities that don't even want this stuff in their backyard. I'm not a fan of it. It's not right. And a lot of you share in my sentiment. But something has shifted this week. And there's actually really good news on the other side of all of this. First, the headlines Bloomberg and Sightline Climate just reported that 30 to 50% of all AI data centers that were planned to come online in the United States this year are delayed or flat out canceled. We're talking 16 gigawatts of planned capacity and only 5 that's actually under construction. Even OpenAI's $500 billion Stargate project stalled out in Texas. The big reasons? Supply chain bottlenecks on transformers, switchgear, and batteries, a lot of which comes from China, as well as the communities that have been pushing back hard because nobody wants this in their town. Now, here's the part that's going to sound just a little weird, but stay with me. This trade war with China has actually been working in our favor. It's forcing the US to slow down and build smarter instead of just throwing hardware at the problem. And the pushback from regular people like you and me saying, no, you are not drinking our water and spiking our power bills, that pressure is working too. And the market has been forced to become efficient instead of just getting bigger. And the engineers, they have been delivering. Check this out. A couple weeks ago, Google Research dropped something called TurboQuant. It's a compression algorithm that that cuts the memory an AI model needs by 6 times. That's 6 times less memory, making it 8 times faster on the same hardware, 0 loss in accuracy, with no retraining required. It works with the existing models that we already have. Matthew Prince, the CEO of Cloudflare, literally called it Google's DeepSeek moment. Memory chip stocks, like Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron, dropped 6% overnight because investors realized the AI industry might not need as many chips as everyone assumed. And TurboQuant is just one example. The entire industry is shifting from bigger models to smarter, leaner models. You can now run intelligence on the gaming PC that 2 years ago needed a $100,000 server rack. I do it every day on my own gaming PC. So here's where I land. The panic phase of AI is ending. Companies got way ahead of themselves, the communities pushed back, China cut off the supply chain, and in the meantime, the actual technology quietly got dramatically more efficient. We're landing at a much better place than where the hyperscalers were trying to drag us. AI, it isn't going anywhere. And now that the adults are showing up in the room, it's a better time than ever to get involved and learn this stuff. The useful phase is just getting started. My name is Dennis. I will catch you in the next one. Follow the build.